And the rules don't apply.
Yeah, we're gonna see. Well, the last time I had this, it was good, but I'm hoping it's just gotten a little bit better. So we'll see how it goes. You're 81? Wow, that's so cool.
You can see if you can use it for the pairings.
I'm gonna try to, yeah.
Is that from the Rio?
No, I purchased this actually. So when I was out in Saint Emilion and we went to the Grand Mayne, they were the most hospitable chateau that we went to. The gentleman that owned it, the head winemaker, he had his like help make us an entire lunch. That help that was at the chateau has taken care of him since he was actually a baby. It was really cool. The cork is good though. I mean, it's actually a pretty long cork too, from 81. That's pretty sick. I've used this a couple of times. I'm just hoping that maybe like me waiting a little bit, there's bottle variation and it gets like better. So we're gonna see.
This is what you're using for the pairings?
Yeah, I wanted to kind of like just try it out again. I haven't tasted it for a while. Color's nice, dude. It's just the texture. I'm just hoping the texture is like, it's
light.
81 is a rough vintage. This is the first time it's actually seen oxygen for a while. On the palate, it's smoky, meaty, has a nice weight to it. There's still acidity. This is the best one I've had so far of this 81.